Hello, I'm going to show you how my Oauth flow works and how my application works in order for me to get the verification of my app. So I built this Zenegy Calendar integration, and the purpose of the application is basically it's a third-party app which integrates to something called Zenegy, which is among other things, a payroll system and an accounting system. What I'm using this for is I have basically built an integration to the Synergy payroll, where there I am synchronizing the different absence that might be needed, vacation and holiday and sickness and all that into a user's calendar and also into someone in the administration calendar who can then go in and share this calendar through their Google or Outlook to other departments and so forth. So that is the purpose of the app, to go in and simply be a nice tool for you to be able to see or share other absence and holiday calendars with your employees or to the company or just by yourself as an individual. So first of all, how it gets started is that once you sign up, you can actually start the synchronization or the integration. And what happens is that first of all, we go into the Synergy OAuth flow. So we have to connect to Synergy, and I do that by clicking here. Then I sign into Synergy, where I have my two-factor that I will just put on. Once I'm signed up to Synergy, it will ask me to which calendar I'm about to set it up. And the purpose, again, for this app is that it can be synchronized to Outlook or Gmail. Um, so first of all, I'll have a company where I want to transfer the absence and holiday for this to uh, to my Outlook and Gmail. So in here, I have now signed up for one company to synchronize the absence and holiday from that Synergy account. So I can choose multiple accounts if I have the access and synchronize it to my Gmail or my Outlook calendar. So in this case, I want to show it for Google Calendar, where I can go in. I have to click on the Google. Then I sign up with the Google Calendar that I have or want to connect to, which is this one. So now, of course, I am inside here, so it's not certified, which is why I have to be able to go here and sign up with this one. And I have to see the Synergy services again, just to show what it actually provides access to. And the reason why I have both to edit and delete different calendars, the reason I have to be able to create a calendar is because if the user has not created a calendar, they can actually do it through our application. So once I've signed up with my Google account, I can actually go in and create a new calendar that I call absence and share it with others. So that is also what I'm going to use here. And I will show you that in just a second. So I can go in here and say continue. Oh, let me just go back with that one, because what I need to do is it needs to be in English. I know that. So I will go in here and make it English. And then I am going to have my auth going again. Again, I still have these 5 services, so that's fine. Then I press continue. And that means that I have now synchronized both my Synergy account and my Gmail account. And therefore, I can go in and say whether or not it should connect to a existing one or if I want to create a new one. So just by showing you how it works, I will go in here through the Gmail that let me see if I'm logged in. So now I am logged in. I can go to my calendar here. And in here, you can see that I also at the moment have some tests. I can go back in here. I will create a new calendar where I'm then going to say Google Calendar tests and create this one. Now, once that is done, it will be here. And I'll be able to update this one. And let's see, I can now, this one, Google Calendar test. So as you can see here, it's now created right here. And I can go in and go back here and say, okay, this is the Google Calendar test I want. I can go to employees and say how many employees I want to have synced, if it's everybody in the company or what. I'll go in here. Then I can see if it should be all absence and vacation types from Zenegy payroll system, and I can go in and say whether I want to have everything from Zenegy in approved or pending or denied or archived, which is something that has been going in a payroll. So I'll just say yes to that, and I can have it syncing every 30 minutes just to check. And then I will have it. So when do I want my data transferred from? Because if I'm starting with the Zenegy calendar integration, I might have already been using Zenegy. So how far back do we want to transfer data? This is why I'm going to include the 3 months back. And once I have done that, I can actually start the sync. I can even name the syncing itself. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm trying to transfer some data that is 3 months back, and you can see here there's 12 different absence events. And once this is done, then I can actually go to my dashboard and I can even see the card here of the integration that I have just made and see the different setting that is on the integration. And if I want to, I can also go in here. And now you can see I have it on a monthly view where you can see that I have now had my calendar integrated, and I can now share this calendar with whomever I want across my organization, for example. Then I can simply just add somebody and they can be able to see my calendar. So this is the purpose of the app in general for this Synergy calendar integration. Thank you.